Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Tonight on the menu we are having Subway. I have ordered myself a turkey with bacon sub on the urban cheese bread. My toppings are a little bit more than I usually get because if you guys watched I tried my subscribers Subway orders, you guys gave me some different ideas. So I've definitely like broadened my choices when it comes to like toppings on my sub and like what I get and all that kind of stuff. But tonight we went with turkey with bacon on it. And I have lettuce, tomato, onion, green peppers, pickles, banana peppers, cucumbers, mayo, sub sauce. I think that's it. I think that's all I got on it. She's a beaut. I'm hungry because it was kind of a fiasco to get this food. I've been waiting for like, not like too long, but I ordered it on the app. 10 minutes goes by. Scott's gonna go grab the food. Order gets canceled. So I'm like, okay, they must be really busy. They can't fulfill the order. So then this is so good because I just like didn't know what I wanted for dinner. Some of you guys know that I just like love sandwiches. So like when I don't know what I want, this is always like a good option for me. So anyways, I try to reorder it to a different location because there's like 5 Subways in my town. Is anybody else's town like that? Just tons of Subways. We have tons of Tims and tons of Subways. Anyways, I ordered it again to a different location. 10 minutes goes by. I'm like, okay, perfect. It's fine. And then suddenly an email pops up and it's like, we've canceled your order. And I was like, what? Like, tell me why you're canceling my order. Like, is it the app? Like, maybe the app is like not working. Like, I'm like, oh, maybe the one place like didn't have the bread we wanted. So anyways, so then Scott just went out to grab it. I had to write down my order because it's like super long. He would never remember it. And he went to the place that we initially ordered from and they were not busy, he said. And it was like obviously fine because we got our food. But anyways, I'm not really like upset about it. I was just really starting to get hungry. This thing is so full. I've had Subway a few times recently because I've been in that like, I don't know what to eat. And I spent all day in court. Just kidding. Just with Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Has anybody else been watching or paying attention, or like, is anybody else interested in this? Like, let me know what you guys are feeling about this trial because I don't like necessarily like care, and I don't want that to sound insensitive, but like I just like don't have anything going on at the moment. So I just have it on in the background. I either have it like in my like ear, like in my AirPod. So I just like don't want everything to just fall out at me. Or I like leave it on my tablet. I could turn my tablet on in the morning, but it's like I will like last week I was like texting Scott in the morning. I was like, I'm going into court now, so I'm gonna have my phone off. Like, it's been like quite a week with me and this trial, and he like comes home at lunch, and I like verbally vomit like all of the information that I'm getting, and then I'm like, I really should have went into like something in the court system. So he just thinks I'm crazier than than he already knows that I am. But yeah, I've been paying attention, and I like know all about it, and I really don't have like, I know everybody's like hashtag like justice for Johnny and stuff like that, but we'll see what the outcome was. I mean, it's hard to, yeah, I don't know. I like have an opinion, but I like don't want to have an opinion, you know what I mean? I wasn't there. I don't know what actually happened, but it sounds like they were maybe pretty horrible to each other. Not that that's an excuse for anything, but like just listening to like testimony and shit, you're like, oh my god, they really roller coastered their relationship. So anyways, that's what I've been up to lately. Excuse me. And Amber Heard just went on, has just gone up like now to start with her testimony, so not now, today. So we'll see. But yeah, let me know how you guys are feeling about that whole situation. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Oh my goodness. What else was I going to tell you guys? I don't know. Am I eating too fast? Never. Tonight we find out who the final 3 are for Big Brother. So I'm really excited about that. And tomorrow night's the finale. I can like taste the pepper. There's a lot of pepper on here. I will say about the court case, like, I've been making myself laugh because I'm like objecting to things like just randomly, but every once in a while, like when I get it right, my my whole day is made. Like, if I'm like, objection, and then the lawyers are like, objection, I'm like, yeah, exactly. Why is no one paying attention? One day Scott was here, and I was like, objection, speculation, and he was like, and I'm like, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. Oh man. What's your favorite Johnny Depp movie? Let me know. Mine is Edward Scissorhands, probably. I'm like, what am I forgetting? Or Chocolat. That was like a few years ago that movie was out. I don't know, I can't remember, like, what movies is he in? We'll see. Did I tell you guys in the last video that my brother's dog had puppies? Like, intentionally they had puppies. They're golden retrievers. And he basically offered to like give me one, and I was like, no thank you, like I have two. And he's like, but this one is, he was born, like there's like something on its face, so he's like, oh, I don't know if like I'll sell it. So he's like, so if you wanted a dog, like I'll just give it to you. And I was like, okay, first of all, excuse me, of course I want a puppy, but I don't want to have to take care of it. Now Phoebe, for those of you that don't know, Phoebe is my grown adult child, and she has her own place and everything. And I was like, oh my god, did you know that your uncle they have puppies? And she was like, I want one. So now she might be getting this dog, and I'm like, it's stressing me out. My brother's like, no, like that wasn't my intention. And I was like, no, I know. And he's like, oh my god, could she handle like having a dog? And I was like, she could handle it, but like I don't want her to have one. Like, she's only 21. I just like don't want her to, like, I don't know. That's just my opinion, and I told her that. I'm like, you can do whatever you feel like you're capable of doing. Like, you know, I'm not going to stop you. But getting a dog is like having a child. It's a very big responsibility. And she's like, Mom, like, I know. I'll take it for walks. And I'll, like, do this. And I'm like, oh my god, someone tell her. Like, so I'm just like, either waiting for my brother to call me and be like, I'm so sorry. Or for her to call me and be like, yeah, look what I got. Like, send me pictures and stuff. Either way, I'll be happy for her. And that's what I said to, he's like, well, do you want me to? And I'm like, no, you don't have to, like, say anything or, like, you know, try to, like, I was trying to not get, like, I was like, convince her not to get it, but I didn't want him to, like, get involved with that. So anyways, Phoebe might be getting a puppy. He's literally so cute though, guys. Look at him. Like, he's like, you can have it. And I was like, okay. Like, just drop them off when you can. So, like, I totally understand why Phoebe's, like, smitten. Oh, puppies. So, how's your day going? Hope you guys are doing well. It's like spring. Yeah, it's spring. I was gonna say it's like summer, but it's like not summer. This sweater only comes out in the spring. Nike Elite, can you please start making women's basketball stuff again? Because this is like the nicest sweater I've ever owned. Mind you, it's probably the most expensive sweater I've ever owned. But it's just superior. It's my favorite. So I only wear it like a couple times a year because like I don't want it to like, it like pulls and snags and stuff like that. Anyways, it's back out because it's spring. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, my tablecloth is like slowly just like, it's okay. Obviously, nothing is falling, but yikes. If you made it this far into the video, let's do fun emoji again. Leave me a sandwich emoji. What did I do that? What video was that last time? Taco? Burrito? I don't remember. And don't forget to like this video. I mean, if you liked it, you might as well. If you disliked it, you don't have to dislike it. I know somebody's gonna have taken that and been like, oh, dislike it? Okay. Okay, guys, I'm good. All done. I think because it's a Big Brother night, I'm gonna go make chocolate chip cookies. I've been like making cookies, like chocolate chip cookies on Wednesday nights for like a while. So it's time to go make chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy the second last episode. What's the word for that? Anyways, it's not important. Excuse me. Thanks guys for joining me for Subway. It really is nice to be back and eating some meals with you guys. For realsies. So let's keep it going. Let me know down below what you guys want to see me eat. I know a few of you guys have already suggested a few things on my community tab. Perfect. Love that. I have them written down. They will be happening. Because you all got some good suggestions. So, anyways, here we are. I'm going to go enjoy Big Brother. And I hope you guys have a good night too. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!